Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. We go through elastics like crazy in our house, so I really love this set of over 40 elastics from wekneve. These elastics are awesome because they're completely slip proof and they don't pull our hair at all. I have curly hair and my daughter has even curlier hair, so these elastics come in so handy. What I really like about these is not only the super fun colors, but these really keep their stretch. They're made out of nylon and cotton, and they twist around and around, going for the tightest ponytail that you can go for. The elastics are a nice generous package, so it's enough that we can put some all around the house and disperse them. That way everybody gets a chance to use these beautiful and gorgeous elastics. I love that they come in those great colors, and they also are so good for tightening even the curliest of hair, and then when you need to pull them out, they do not hurt at all. But that's just my point of view.